So what is OpenClaw? Well, most AI tools are places you go to. OpenClaw is something that works for you and can actually come to you. ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, those are all tools you open when you need help. But OpenClaw is different. It runs 24/7 on a server, connects to your apps, and can actually take action without you asking. There are three pillars to this. First is brain and memory. It connects to AI models via API, remembers everything, and gets better over time. Second, it's always on. It runs 24/7 so it can reach out to you first, schedule tasks, monitor things, and send updates. Then you have tools and actions. It connects to Telegram, Gmail, Calendar, Drive, Slack, Discord, and can actually do things. Here are some real world examples that people have shared online. Every morning at 7, it checks my calendar, scans my email, and sends me my priorities for the day. It saw an interview on my calendar and automatically created a prep doc, researched the company and role, then matched it against my resume. My gym only lets you register 24 hours before a class. I have it watch the schedule and then register me automatically before classes fill up. Now, you might see it called ClaudeBot or Moltbot online. It's the same project, it's just been renamed a couple of times. OpenClaw is the current name, and that's what we're building with today. So let's start with where to actually run this thing. There are three ways to run OpenClaw. Option one is your personal computer. This is free and easy to start, but it stops when your laptop closes. Your personal files, passwords, browser history, those are all accessible to the agent. If something goes wrong, it's happening on your personal machine. Not ideal. Option two is a Mac Mini or dedicated spare hardware. This gives you good isolation and it's always on if you keep it plugged in. But if you're buying hardware, it can cost $500+ up front. You need to do port forwarding, deal with power outages, and then there's internet reliability. Option three, you can run it on a server or VPS. This is a separate computer in the cloud. It starts at just a few bucks per month, stays online 24/7, and if OpenClaw breaks or something happens, it's self-contained. If things go really wrong, you can nuke the server and start over.